Hello everyone, I am pleased to inform you that my third package from JPFans has arrived today. It is smaller than the previous one, probably about the same size as the first one. And you know, as usual, we will be unboxing it together. I have my scissors here, I am on my bed, so hopefully I will not make as much of a mess as I usually do. I expected the package to be a bit bigger because I ordered quite a lot of stuff this time. And I already have it open, wow. I always struggle with these packages, but this one went very smoothly. So here's how the inside of the package looks like. As always, everything is packed separately into these little bags. Okay, I am finally done taking all of the stuff out of the boxes. It is very impressive how they managed to fit all of that into a box of this size. You've seen this one when I showed you the inside of the package. Au revoir by Malice Miser. It opens up like this, which is pretty cool. I always like this, I always wanted one of these. Here I have a few Duran Grey flyers. That's the first one, the second one, and the third one. Oh, and the cardboard box. The album True by Lark and CL. Can't really see the album cover because an obvious strip was put right here. My favorite Lark and CL album. Keeping up with the theme of my previous video, I got Vampire Maiden by Yajima Mai, and I also got they have no cover in front, they have cover in the back. That's Signal and that's Yuzai. The reason why I got these types and not the other types of these CDs is because the songs from these ones are not available on the internet. And I also got a DVD from Yajima Mai as well. This is from the Heretical Soul era. Here is an X-Japan t-shirt. It's blue one. I like the color of it. You can't really see the color that well on the camera, but it's like a really beautiful shade of blue. It's got this little thing here that says X-Japan official international merchandise. Here are a few Malice Miser flyers. Merveille l'Espace. This is Le Ciel. And that's Illuminati. Here I got a dress. Yeah, I saw this dress, I really liked it. I really like the combination of red and black in dresses like this. So I got this one. I'm not gonna put it on right now. You will see me in it in my future videos probably. But yeah, I really like it. It's made from a very nice material. I forgot who the manufacturer is. Dear My Love, that's the manufacturer, yes. So I got a dress from Dear My Love. I got it very cheaply. Here is Dixanadu by Moi Di Moi. And I saved the best for last. Here in this, whatever this is, in this case, I have a flyer. Two flyers in fact. Two flyers by Gecht. It's Gecht from his collaboration with some seafood restaurant or something. He is holding like, is that like a lobster? So I have Gecht with a plate of meat. But that's not the best part. The poster came with a fan. So I now have a fan. Wow, it actually builds up wind pretty cool. It builds up a lot of wind. I have a fan with Gecht holding a plate of meat. When Europe gets hit with one more of those heat waves that we had a month ago, I will be ready. I will be ready with my Gecht fan. Actually, there are two fans. I was sent two fans. I didn't know I'm gonna get sent two. But when I got like the inspection photos and I saw two fans, I was like, wow. So I have 2. I am double ready for the heatwave now. So that's it for today. Thank you to JPFans for sponsoring me again. I am very happy to continue working with you. If you want to order something from Japan using JPFans, you can register using the link in this video's description or in the pinned comment. By doing so, you will support my channel and you will also get some discounts for shipping. So that's all for today. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.